a world where children can breathe and run freely. Would this world be considered clean enough for our children? Adds technology to air. Air technology specialized company, ALLSWELL. Indoor gyms where hard to ventilate. It is never safer than outdoor areas. Numerous studies emphasize the need for a large space air ventilation system. These studies around the world have shown that fine dust is especially fatal to the growth and health of growing youth. ALLSWELL's air ventilation system uses technologies differentiated from the existing technologies to effectively purify fine dust. The system has invented actively reflecting the user's convenience with simple management. Also, applied high-efficiency, large-area HEPA filter can remove 99.99% of fine dust. ALLSWELL's air ventilation system has an overwhelming performance advantage over the general air ventilation systems. ALLSWELL is a professional engineering company recognized by large domestic and international companies and institutions in the manufacturing industry. Technological excellence and differentiation have been recognized by a number of clients. As a member of the Climate Technology Center of the United Nations on Climate Change, ALLSWELL will take responsibility for climate change, carbon neutrality, and energy savings. Based on various field experiences and achievements, ALLSWELL, an air technology company, will take the lead in creating a healthy growth environment for children. ALLSWELL creates a world where everyone can breathe comfortably. Fresh Air Solution. Air technology specialized company, ALLSWELL.